अच्छा पीयूष मैम ने।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। नमस्ते।
Good morning all. Namaste everyone.
नमस्ते सर।
I'm waiting for some more to join in. Yes, I'm just waiting for a few more minutes. Dhruvika wants to say something. Yes, Dhruvika. Dhruvika.
Sir, can you please send yesterday's recording?
Beta, it's already there in MCB. Manvi Modi is she in? Manvi Modi. I already did, and it is available on MCB itself. You can see it on MCB. है ना?
Sir, there was other network issues. I didn't understand.
No problem.
So,
Like I said, the video is available on MCB. You can check it through your login. Manvi Modi has done it. Manvi Modi, unmute yourself, beta. Yes,
Sir, I have done it.
you have done it. Okay, can you tell the students how did you do it? Can you share with them how to do it? Yes, Manvi, can you share with us how did you do it? Unmute. Yes or no? Can you do it or no? Yes, Dvij has done it. Dvij, can you share with us? Can you share with the rest of the students how to go for it?
Yeah.
Just explain.
Sir, homework?
No, not the homework. How to watch the previous video. How to watch the recorded video. Yes or no? Okay. Yes, Mauriel, unmute karo beta. Yes, yes, Mauriel. Bolo beta. Yes. Have you done it?
सर्च करें कराए ना करा.
Okay, no problems. I will share a small video of how to check it later on. हाँ, अभी नहीं. अभी नहीं.
सर
हाँ. Yes.
सर
बोलो.
सर मेरे को सब कुछ ब्लैक ही दिखाई दे रहा है स्क्रीन पे.
सिर्फ ब्लैक ही दिखाई दे रहा है. How is that possible, बेटा? The others can see me.
सर मेरे को सब कुछ ब्लैक ही दिखाई दे रहा है स्क्रीन पे.
That I don't know, बेटा. How to solve that?
सर
Yes, Nirja, tell me. Bolo beta.
Sir, first we go in previous class. Then there will the class that physics or maths class. There will recorded video option, and there will image of video. Then we will click that we can saw the videos.
Very good. Thank you, beta. Thank you very much. Okay, students, did you understand? You have to go to previous classes. Okay, online classes. Once you go to online classes, you can see previous classes. In previous classes, there will be many classes, right? All the teachers' classes will be listed. You have to go for my class, right? Where is Kaushik sir's class? And then you have to see if the video button is there. That means I have uploaded it and you can see it. Okay, you can see it as many times you want to. No issues. Okay, and yes, later on I'll definitely publish it on YouTube also, so that you can go through that route also, है ना? And you can watch it anytime. Okay, so let's start the learning part. Okay, now again we are going to fractions. Okay, so yesterday we saw fraction addition and subtraction of like fractions. In your notebook, solve this now. Right, in your notebook, solve. Right, 1, yes, you have to write the answer in a fraction form. Okay, now when I'm sharing, I'm not able to see you all, है ना? When I'm sharing this, I'm not able to see you all, so I don't know how to talk to you, right? So please bear with me on this. Okay, it's not coming out properly anyways, right? So unless, yes, correct answers, most of you, but that is not the final answer. I'll explain why. Yes, this is correct answer. All those who have done it, you know what to do. Raise your hand. Those who have completed it, raise your hand, turn it around, and pat yourself. You have done the correct work. Come on, pat yourself. Apni feet thapthapa lo. You have done the correct work. Okay, but this is not the final answer. Okay, because this is an improper, right? Sorry, hold on. Right, this is an improper fraction, right? This is an improper fraction. Okay, right? So what you need to do is you have to convert it into mixed fraction. What will be the answer here? What will be the answer here? Come on, from improper fraction to mixed fraction, do it. Come on. Yes, correct. Answer is 5 upon 4. That is correct. But what will be the final answer? You have to convert it into mixed fraction, which is 4 ones are 4. What is remaining? 1 upon 4. Okay? Yes, 1 whole and 1/4. Very good. Correct answer, all of you. So those who have done it, 3 claps for you. Good job. Mauriel and Sumit, what is going on? Why are you not seated properly? If Papa wants to attend the class, he can attend it in the background. You have to be the first person. Okay? Please ask Papa to sit at the back. All right? Now, going to the next one. I'm going to do the next one. Okay? Now, pay attention in this one. Right? You have to pay attention in this one. Okay? Number 2, you have to do this example on your own also. Come on, this is easy. Which we will get to your question later on in the final. You can note down your questions now. You have to first finish this up. Okay? Come on, finish it up. What will be the answer here? Yes. Yug, that is incorrect. Yug's answer is incorrect, beta. 15 upon 12 will not be answered. The denominator does not add. I had explained with proper demonstration. The right answer will be 15 upon 6. Okay? Yes? But is this the final answer? No, this is not the final answer. What will be the final answer? Very good, Jia. Very good. But still, that is also not the final answer. I'll explain you why. Okay? Now, look at these two numbers. 15 upon 6. Right? Now, 15. Which are its prime factors? Come on, tell me. Prime factors of 15. Tell me. You have to type. Send me the answer in chat box. Prime factors of 15. 15. Mahir, your answer is okay. That one is correct, but no, your answer is incorrect. Sorry. What are the prime factors of 15? No. Yes. Yes. Very good, Dvij. 3 5 is 15. Yes. 3 5 is 15. Very good. One is not prime factor. Okay. One is not a prime number. Remember this. One is unique number. One is not a prime number. We have to remember this. Okay. And 6 is also 3 by 2. Yes. Yes. Correct. Very good. Yes. Correct. This is understandable now. Yes, this is very simple part. The prime factors we have written in this one. This is basically division. 3 is there, 3 is here also. So common cancel. Common cancel. Okay. And when you cancel the common, what do we get? Common cancel. We get answer 5 upon 2. Right? But again, this you have to convert into mixed fraction. So 2 2s are 4, 1 upon 2. Okay? Understood? Yes, everyone? This is very important step. Come on. Right? What did I say? First, pay attention one more time. I'm going to repeat this. Okay? You can put your hands down. We got addition as 15 upon 6. Yes? The next step is to write its prime factors. Right? This is why I told you to do lots of practice of prime factors. Okay? Yes? So it becomes 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 60. Okay? What is in numerator, and if the same number is in denominator, then we can cancel it. What we can do it? Cancel it. So 3 common cancel and we get answer. Okay, right? It sounds like a rhyme. Common cancel, we get answer. है ना? Right? And maths, it's all about making fun, है ना? Having fun in mathematics. Okay, so 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 cancel, we get answer as 5 upon 2. When converted to mixed fraction, it becomes 2.5. Okay, yes, let's do one more example and you will have a better clarity on this one. Okay, number 3. Okay, so very simple, we write the same denominator, 8 plus 1, right, which is 9 upon 15. Okay, so the same one will be 9. This 9, it can be written as 3 by 3, and this 15 is can be written as 3 by 5. Okay, yes. Now Anya, is it making sense now? Anya Butch, is it clear now? Good, that's what I'm saying. You have to be little bit patient, है ना? When in maths you have to be patient, you have to give it little bit time, you have to keep trying and you will get there. Okay? In mathematics it's very easy, right? Okay, so this one is 3 cancel, 3 cancel. What is the answer? 3 upon 5. Clear? Yes, yes or no? Give me thumbs up on the screen. You have to learn this, you gotta learn this. Sanvi, we will take the question in the last few minutes. Till then we have to do this. Yes, very good, very good. Dhruvika is not able to join, I don't know why. Okay, yes, show me thumbs up on the screen. Yes, come on, give me a reaction here. Yes, very good. Vansh, what about you? Did you get it? No, this is the final answer because it is proper fraction. It is proper fraction, so no need to change it. There is no need to change this one. This is the answer. Okay, we change it only when it is required. Okay, yes, everyone clear on this one now? We change it only when we have improper fraction. Okay, so let's do some more examples. Number 4. Now this is subtraction. Okay, subtraction of like fractions. Okay, right? So here it will be 15 n minus 4 is equal to 6 upon 15. Now can we go for prime factor? Do they have anything in common? Do these two numbers have anything in common? Real, that is, so far it is correct, but now the next step, is this the lowest form? Is this the lowest form? What do we call it? Lowest form. Okay, I'm going to write it for you. You have to take it, your answer should always be in lowest form, right? It should not be it should not be an equivalent fraction of anyone. Okay, it should be the smallest fraction possible. Okay, that's what we are going to do. Okay, that is what we are going to do, right? So come on. Yes, correct answer, Dhwani. Good job. This one, 3 into 2, 3 into 5. Common cancel. We get common cancel. We get, speak up with me. Come on, everyone. Common cancel. We get, right? Come on. This should be fun. Come on. Okay. Now, right? Everyone. Done? Okay. Yes. Everyone understood this part? Good. Very good. Okay. Come on. Let's do some more examples. We will take some more examples. Okay. Yes. Everyone is clear on this one? Akshat? Akshat, are you with me? Good. है ना? मम्मी को बोलो बातें कम करवाए. Okay. Right. Come on. Yes. Everyone. Everyone is with me. Shlok, are you able to do this? Good. Very good. Yes. Very good. Yes. Shanvi has a question now. Let's take Sanvi's question. Yes, Sanvi. Unmute karo beta. Unmute yourself. Yes. Tell me.
सर मुझे ये फोर्थ वाला पता नहीं चल रहा था और थर्ड वाला.
Beta, you will have to do practice. That is the only way. है ना? Okay. Number 5. Come on. Mute yourself now. Okay. Now let's do one more example. You will be able to do this one. Now you have to give me the final answer here. Okay, come on. Yes, we will take more questions later on. Come on, let's finish this. Come on, give me the answer for this one. You have to find the answer and send it in the chat box. Let's do it quick. Very simple. Come on. Okay. Yes. Yes, correct answer everyone. That's good job. Okay. So this is all about addition and subtractions of like fractions. Okay. Now we are going to do addition of unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions. All right, so how do we do it? First one, let's see. Very simple example we will take. Okay, very simple example. Yes. Okay, so very simple example. First of all, step 1. Step 1. Find LCM of denominators. Okay. Yes. Come on. No, that is incorrect answer. You cannot add like fractions just like we did for sorry, you cannot add unlike fractions just like we did for like fractions. And denominators are never added. Okay, my friend. Ish, sorry. The denominators are never added real. Okay. So first of all, we have to find LCM of 3 and 5. So we will obviously start with 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 5 are, and 5 1 and 1. So LCM is equal to 3 into 5, which is 50. Okay. Now pay attention. This is very important step, right? LCM of 3 and 5. First step is you have to find LCM, which is 15 now. For this example, 3 and 5, it is 50. Okay. Second step, right? Make them equivalent, make their equivalent fractions, right? So which are the ones? 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 5. 1 upon 3 equal, we have to correct here, 15, and 2 upon 5. Okay, so what we will put here? Come on, what will be kept here for 1 upon 3? How can we make 3 into 15? How many times do I need to multiply? Come on, type in your answer. Very simple. The answer will be here 5. So obviously we have to multiply the numerator with 5. So it becomes 5 upon 15. Yes. And this one 3. So 2 3s are 6. Okay. So you have got like fractions now. Yes. Now the next step, step number 3. Step number 3. Okay. Step number 3. Add like fractions now. Add like fractions. Okay. So what do we have? 5 upon 15 and 6 upon 15. 5 upon 15 plus 6 upon 15. So the answer will be 11 upon 15. Do we need to change this? Do we need to make it to the lowest fraction? Do we need to change it to lowest fraction? Yes or no? Come on, type in your answer. Yes or no? Is this the final answer? Yes or no? Is this the final answer? Yes or no? So what can be done about this? Can you convert it? Is there a possible? 11 is a prime number. So this is your final answer. Right? So this is your answer. So we go back to first slide. Sorry, this one 1 upon 3 upon plus 2 upon 5. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 11 upon 15. Okay? Yes? So how can we find prime number? Gia, we have done the entire chapter of factors and multiples, right? If a number can be divided any other number than itself, then it is a composite number. Otherwise, it's a prime number. If the number cannot be divided by any other number, then it is a prime number. 11, it cannot be divided by any other number. 7 cannot be divided by any other number. 5, it cannot be divided by any other number. 9, yes, it can be divided by 3. So it is not a prime number. 4, it's a prime number because it can be divided by 2. Okay? Yes, everyone? Right? How can we find prime number? You got the answer now. Okay? So this is your answer. Okay? Right? Have you noted this down? Yes or no? Come on. Yes, everyone noted this down, all the examples? Yes? Come on. Yes, noted down. Yes, very good. Everybody has noted it down. Come on. Now, those who could not note it down because of internet problems, they can do it later on with the recorded version. है ना? Okay? Understood, everyone? Okay? All right then. I'm going to stop sharing now. Yes. Okay. Now, let's take the question. Dweej had a question. Yes, Dweej, tell me. Bolo Dweej. Unmute yourself and talk to me.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir,
Bolo beta.
in first solve,
Hmm.
there is 3/4 plus 2/4.
Hmm. Yes.
Then we got answer 5/4.
Yes. 5/4.
There is
5/4 nahi.
improper fraction.
5/4. Yes, that is an improper fraction.
There
So it must be converted.
fourth.
Yes, that is why it must be converted. And the final answer will be
Sir,
1/4, 1/4.
sir, but how will it converted into mixed fraction?
Why? 5 divided by 4. You know how to do it division. You know how to do the division. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 remainder. So that remainder becomes your numerator. The quotient becomes 1. Quotient is 1. That becomes your whole number. And your denominator, which is 5, it will be the divisor, right? So that is done. Okay. Now Dhwani has a question. Yes, Dhwani, unmute yourself. Yes.
Sir, you just send the some
Yes, I will upload it. Definitely.
for practice.
Yes, I will do. Unmute. Yes, Siddhi. Yes, Siddhi.
Sir, I have a question.
Speak up.
We are doing addition and subtraction,
Hmm.
so the denominator is same.
Yes,
What happened when the denominator is different?
that's what is called as an unlike fraction. The last example we saw no. The last example we just saw that how to do addition of unlike fraction. Tomorrow we will do unlike and like fraction subtraction more, है ना? And in the next week we will do multiplication and division, which is very easy. Okay. Okay, all done. Right. Now Gia has a question. Yes, Gia, unmute yourself. Bolo beta.
Sir, can you share that screen when you did the unlike fraction?
Okay, will do.
I have a question in that.
Unlike fractions. Okay, okay, hold on. Here, yes. Tell me the question. Is in this part?
The last screen.
Yes, step 3. Add like fractions. Yes, this is what you can see on your screen now. Come on.
Sir, in plus 2 upon 5.
Hmm.
Then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, sir. Then why did you write 11?
Arey beta, these two are unlike fractions. Yes, this was the question, no? This is the answer. For these two unlike fractions, we did these 3 steps. Add like fractions. Before that, first we have to find the LCM because they are unlike fraction. If they are unlike fractions, we cannot just add them. First, we have to make them like fraction. And to make them like fraction, we need to have their equivalent fractions with common.
Sir,
Hold on. Just a second. Yes. Like I said, these two are the unlike fraction, right? So first you have to make them like fraction. How can we make them like fraction? By finding their equivalent fractions with equal denominator, with the same denominator. Yes. So first we have to find the LCM, right? We found that LCM is 50. Then the next step is we have to make their equivalent fractions. So 1 upon 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 upon 15. So you got one fraction with denominator 15. Sorry, the internet is poor on my end also, and that is why I'm not able to continue with the video. Okay, let me show you again one more time. So you have to make them equivalent fractions, and once you make them equivalent fractions, that's when you go for the last part, which is addition of fraction. So the question is this one and its answer is this one, but this one step, it involves actually 3 steps. First,